Troops, good morning. Today I will show you different kinds of Unilever company merch, Lipton, Yellow Label, International Blend, and Lipton Green Tea. Sa hindi pa nakakaalam yung Lipton, isa lang po yun sa Unilever company merch. Yan. Yung Lipton Yellow Label. Rich in taste and aroma. $200 grams po to. Unilever po yan. You can buy it from any grocery stores, mga small grocery stores, o kahit sa small stores. Available din po yan sa 20 bags. Meron din tayong Lipton Green Tea Live Refresh, 75 grams. Available for 50 envelope tea bags. Ayan.
Wala mga pacing, oh.
That's it for today's Unilever company merch video. Lipton, Yellow Label, and Green Tea Lively Fresh. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Unilever company merch video. Respect, always rise, never give up. God bless us all, always. Thank you for watching.